In the last session, we have completed problem 23 on ASDR. In this session, we shall take a problem 24 on STDR, standardized death rate. Let's see what the problem says. From the following, we need to compute STDR for town A and B, for two towns, and we have to mention which town is healthier. Which town is healthier? That town is healthier whose death rate is less. Whose STDR is less, that town is considered as healthier. That we can only conclude after we find out STDR of A and B. Now, as learnt in the earlier session, the formulas, how to calculate STDR? For town A, summation PA divided by summation P. For town B, summation PB divided by summation P. P means standard population, which will be given in the problem. Like this, separate standard population is given. A indicates ASDR of town A. B, ASDR of town B. So first we need ASDR to find out. Now when you get this problem in the examination, first thing, ASDR formula. We know that whether it is ASFR or ASDR, at least one calculation must be shown. Write the formula of ASDR, leave some 3-4 lines, specify what is P, prepare the table for town A. How to prepare? Age, population and deaths of town A as recorded. Leave the space to calculate STDR. Town B, take the age group, population and deaths of town B. Standard population remains standard for each of the two towns. It remains same. Check out. Standard population, that won't change. Once these tables have been kept ready, then we start the calculation. First, for town A, we'll start ASDR. One calculation for ASDR will show in the problem, remaining will do it directly. So when you start with town A, number of deaths of town A for the first age group are given as 36, divided by average population of town A is 4,000 into 1,000. So 36,000, 3 zeros are cancelled, 36 upon 4. ASDR, what we get is 9. Let us record that. ASDR as 9. Then 48 divided by 12,000 into 1,000, 4. 60 divided by 6,000 into 1,000, 10. 152 divided by 8,000 into 1,000, what we get is 19. Once we get ASDR. PA, what is PA? Standard population multiplied by the ASDR. I repeat, what is PA? Standard population, this column, multiplied by ASDR. Let's say 2,000 into 9. What we get is 18,000. 3,000 into 4. What we get is 12,000. 6,000 into 10. This is nothing but 60,000. 4,000 into 19. What we get is 76,000. Now let us total it. Total of standard population comes to 15,000. And this total 18 plus 12 is 30, 60, 90, and this comes to 1,66,000. Once you get these totals, find STDR of town A. STDR of town A. 1,66,000 is the summation PA divided by 15,000. Here no into 1,000 because ASDR what we have got is already into 1,000. The answer comes to 11.06. So the death rate of town A is 11.06. Standardized death rate, that means considering the standard population. Now let's start for town B. Again for town B, don't show the calculation for ASDR, or again don't write the formula. Once in the problem it's written, that's all. Direct calculation. ASDR, how we find out? Deaths upon the population. Let's say 30 divided by 3,000 into 1,000. What answer we get is 10. 100 divided by 20,000 into 1,000. What we get is 5. 48 upon 4,000 into 1,000. What we get is 12. 60 divided by 3,000 into 1,000 is 20. Once you get ASDR of town B, PB, standard population into ASDR of town B. 10 into 2000, what we get is 20,000. 5 into 3000, 15,000. 12 into 6, 72,000. 20 into 4,000, what you get is 80,000. Now let us total it. The total of this comes to 1,87,000, and standard population already we know, that is 15,000. STDR of town B, 1,87,000 divided by standard population of 15,000. So when you divide, the answer what we get is 12.46. Now let's see which town is more healthier. Which town is healthier? That town is healthier whose STDR is less. Whose STDR is less? This is the STDR of town A and town B. So if you can observe that STDR of town A is less than the STDR of town B, so we say that town A is more healthier. That's all. Let us write down that neatly. Yeah. STDR of town A is less than STDR of town B, so town A is considered to be more healthier. This is how we solve STDR. In the examination, we get these problems for full 10 marks. And this is to be done very neatly. The presentation has to be proper. Everything the way what we have done. By using the scale pencil to draw the lines, everything neatly. So in this session, we have completed problem 24 on STDR. In the next session, we shall take a problem 25 again on STDR. Thank you.